What if I told you that just $50,000 could completely change your financial future? Most people would spend it on a new car, a vacation, or let it sit in a bank account, earning almost nothing. But if you use it strategically, this one-time amount can set you up for life. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I do with $50,000 to never worry about money again. No hype, no fluff. Just smart money, moves anyone can follow. Step 1. Build a financial safety net. Before anything else, I take care of the basics. Step 1 is building an emergency fund. That means saving up 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your buffer, your protection against job loss, surprise expenses, or medical bills. If you already have high-interest debt like credit cards, that's next. Paying off a card charging 20% interest is like earning a guaranteed 20% return. That's better than any stock market average. Step 2. Invest in index funds. Once the foundation is set, it's time to grow your money. I'd invest $30,000 in long-term index funds, specifically low-cost ETFs like the S&P 500. Historically, these return 7 to 10% annually. And thanks to compound interest, that amount could more than quadruple in 20 years. No stock picking, no trading, just consistent, smart investing. I'd start with a Roth IRA if eligible, then continue in a taxable brokerage account. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Now let's talk about the most important investment of all, you. I'd take around $500 to $7,500 and invest in personal development. That could be an online course, a certificate, or even coaching. If a course helps you earn $10,000 more per year, it pays for itself in just 1 year. Whether it's coding, sales, or digital marketing, skills compound faster than any portfolio ever could. Step 4. Create a side income stream. Now that your base is strong and your investments are working, it's time to go on offense. I'd take another $5,000 to $10,000 to build a side hustle. That could be starting a faceless YouTube channel, creating digital products, building an affiliate website, or launching an e-commerce store. The goal? To create something that brings in income even when you're not working. It's not passive from day one, but it can become passive over time. Step 5. Diversify and protect. Finally, I'd use the remaining amount to diversify and protect my wealth. That means investing in REITs for real estate exposure, adding a small amount of gold for inflation protection, and maybe allocating a portion to crypto, but only if I understand the risks. I'd also review my insurance, health, disability, liability, because keeping wealth is just as important as creating it. So, let's recap. If I had $50,000 today, here's what I'd do. 1. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. 2. Eliminate all high-interest debt. 3. Invest 60% in ETFs and long-term assets. 4. Invest 10 to 15% in myself. 5. Build a side hustle and diversify. This isn't a fantasy. This is exactly how people build real lasting wealth. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal finance and freedom.